Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to manage app permissions on your VIVO X300 Pro. If you want to manage a permission on any app you want, I'll show you how to do it step by step. So open up your settings and go here to apps, app manager, and choose the app you want to adjust permissions. For example, Google permissions. As you can see, calendar, call logs, contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications, phone and SMS are allowed, and camera and photos and videos are not allowed. And if you want to disallow something like notifications, for example, just click here and notifications are not allowed. And if you want to allow something, this is basically the same scheme, like allow while using the app, and that's it. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.